Hello, in this video I want to show you all available screen off gestures on OnePlus Nord N30. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings, scroll all the way down for additional settings and then enter gestures and motions. First option is screen off gestures. You can enter it and inside we have multiple different settings. First one is double tap to wake or turn off screen. And if you activate it, you can lock your device, then double tap onto the screen and it will wake up. Double tap again to lock it. Next features are drone gestures, so you can draw an O to open a camera, draw a V to turn on or off a flashlight, and there's also music control. Let's cover them all at once. So we can lock our phone, draw O to open a camera like that. It works fine. Now we can go for a V. If we draw that, it should power on or power off the flashlight. And the last feature is music control. Now you can draw arrow to the right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, draw the pause to play or resume to resume or stop or pause music. Now the actual last features are more, and here we can draw arrow up, draw M and draw W. They all kind of work the same, you just change the functions for them. So for example we can activate two of them and add the action to, for example, open an app like Google Chrome with a draw arrow up, and when we draw M we can open a calendar. Now make sure that they're activated. Lock your phone, draw arrow up and it opens a Chrome. We'll need to obviously unlock our phone for that. And now when we draw M, unlock our phone, it should launch the calendar. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.